Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up YNAB budget only way. Start by creating your budget file and connecting accounts, then set realistic categories and give every dollar a job using the YNAB rules. Prioritize true expenses, build a small buffer, and move surplus to goals. Review monthly to adjust category targets, reconcile accounts weekly, and treat the budget like a living plan that adapts to your real spending. Start with setting monthly targets for every category and include regular bills, savings, and fun funds. Use realistic numbers based on past spending and upcoming obligations, and split large expenses into monthly goal amounts. Label categories clearly, order them by priority, and hide empty ones to reduce clutter. Update targets after each paycheck, move money to cover immediate bills first, and keep one emergency buffer to absorb surprises. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel greatly. Quick recommendation: that cozy reading device I use pairs well with budgeting nights. The Kindle Paperwhite makes numbers feel less dry and more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals. You can grab one to make budgeting evenings comfier. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Connect bank, credit, and loan accounts to import transactions automatically, then categorize each import correctly. Reconcile accounts weekly to match balances and catch errors, marking cleared transactions and noting expected charges. Use scheduled transactions for regular activity and avoid relying on credit card balance as available cash. Move reconciled surplus into savings goals, track progress visually, and review reports to learn spending patterns and refine your budget for better control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.